Your vision, our execution. Tianchen Laser is a high-end laser intelligent manufacturing provider delivering integrated metal processing solutions for global industries. Designed to support diverse manufacturing scenarios, we integrate technology, production, and application expertise to support customers across light processing, heavy manufacturing, and intelligent production lines. Founded in 2023, we are a rapidly growing laser manufacturing brand built on more than 30 years of mechanical manufacturing experience from our parent group. Our growth has been driven by full process self-control, continuous technological development, and practical solutions that align with evolving global manufacturing needs, particularly in intelligent and new energy applications. Our products are exported to more than 180 countries and regions worldwide, serving key markets including North America, South America, Europe, the Middle East, and Russia. Local service support is available in regions such as Russia, Brazil, and Saudi Arabia, enabling faster response and closer cooperation for international customers. Our manufacturing base covers 60,000 square meters and operates with complete in-house production lines to ensure full process control. Core manufacturing includes machine bed welding, rough machining, vibration aging, and precision assembly. Optical collimators are used to verify machine datum accuracy, and precision leveling ensures the stability of linear guide systems. Monthly production capacity reaches 100 units with annual sales volume around 500 units. Our equipment and processes comply with CE and FDA certification requirements and operate under an ISO 9001 quality management system, supporting reliable and consistent output. We provide scenario-based customization services, including color customization, logo branding, and special process adaptation. We support logistics arrangements and offer a 2-year global warranty, supported by 24/7's multilingual remote assistance, localized spare parts centers, and rapid response mechanisms with fault diagnosis coverage reaching 80% and response times within 1 hour. Supported by a team of more than 500 professionals across production operations, technology development, quality control, and global business services, this structure enables steady production, consistent quality, and reliable global support for long-term partnerships. Tianchen Laser, high-end laser manufacturing expert for full scenario and full chain needs.